everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely. Now fold the edges out of it. Now take another sheet and then paste it with the help of a straw. Now roll it very nicely and then attach the straw and do it as shown in the video. It's done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then attach the cute little eyes and the mouth. Now take another sheet and paste it all over. Now take a cute little legs out of it and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it as shown in the video. Now take another sheet and make the shapes like out of it. Now take another shapes and then attach it all together. It will look like this. Make the small lines out of it and then take another sheet, fold it into half and then fold it as shown in the video. Now make the cute little bunny face out of it and then attach the nose and eyes and attach it all together and it's all done. For this one, make a leaf and then make the lines out of it. Now take another straw and then attach it all together with the help of a glue. Now take a tissue paper and then roll it nicely. Pull it inside out. Now make the small dots out of it and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then paste it nicely and then fold it as shown in the video. Now fold it into half and paste it. Make another of it and then do it as shown in the video. And your cute little butterflies are done. You can make of any colors. For the next one, take a sheet and then make the cute little bunny face out of it. Now take a cup and a straw. Now repeat the process very nicely as shown in the video and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one in the video, take a cup and then make the circle out of it. Now attach the strips all over it and then roll it very nicely with the help of a stick or the pen as shown in the video. Now turn it over, it will look like this. Now take a cup and then paste the eyes and the mouth. Now take it all and then attach it with the help of a glue and it's done. For this one, take a balloon and then put a marble inside it. Now tie it with the help of a rubber band or elastic. It will look like this. Turn it over and then blow it very nicely. Now paste some cute little eyes and the nose and bunny ears. It's done. Thanks for watching.